Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk about the best vaccine vial bottle mockup design in Photoshop. So please watch this video till the end. After knowing its full features, you can then decide whether to choose this mockup design for your brand or not. You can download the PSD file and edit it. The download link is given in the description. Need a quick way to render your design into an iced tea bottle in a few seconds. You only need to place your design intro to the smart object, and they will generate 3D high-impact product shots.